Meaning of executive privilege.
Executive privilege.
Executive privilege.
Executive privilege.
Executive privilege. Executive privilege is a legal doctrine that allows certain confidential communications between the president and their advisors to remain secret. This privilege is claimed in order to protect the president's ability to receive candid advice and make informed decisions. The result of executive privilege is that the information or documents protected by it cannot be subpoenaed or used as evidence in court. However, there are limits to this privilege, and it can be challenged or overridden by courts or Congress in certain circumstances.